fell for this for years. This was a myth that I fell for, my gosh, for years of my health and fitness and fat loss career, and I hope you don't fall for this. What's up, everybody? It's Brown Applied Fitness, and today we're talking about the myth that you can out-exercise a bad diet, because that is just not true. And to prove it to you, I'm going to tell you my own story. Like when I was younger, like maybe 20s and 30s, I used to be able to, I felt like anyways, I could eat whatever I wanted to, and then the next day just get up, go for a nice long 10-mile run, and all would be good in the neighborhood. And maybe that was true then. The truth is now that is not. You know, as we age, nutrition and diet becomes even more important. And of course, I still do have those days where the treat days where I'll eat a little bit something that's not normally on my normal eating schedule. I do follow a very clean diet plan most of the time, and I am not perfect, and nobody is. So the moral of the story is that as long as you are on point 80% of the time, big believer in the 80-20%, that if there's going to be that 20% where you're going to eat foods that you shouldn't be, that are on the naughty list, you're going to have your bad days, but as long as 8 out of 10 meals, 80%, you're eating healthy, you're eating the lean proteins, you're eating low to no sugar, you're eating not processed foods but real healthy foods, you're going to see the results that you want, and your body's going to lose the weight naturally. Because believe it or not, your body wants to lose the weight, your body wants to feel better, your body wants to eliminate those aches and pains. But when we keep putting sugar and processed foods in it, our body keeps score, and it will tell you in the form of bloat, weight gain, pudginess, all the yucky things that we don't like. So diet's super important. You can't out exercise a bad diet. Focus on your meal.